breaks and I'm burned by the morning light. I make the same mistake more than twice. Same song, but brand new dance. I wear out my third second chance. You take my breath and I can't get it back. Might be time for me to face the facts. The best me is with you, but I know I got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say.
Good morning, everyone. Look, the bird's waiting, hungry, because yesterday we went out early. I wasn't able to feed you guys. I'm so sorry for that. But before feeding you, let me pick a dragon fruit first. Look, guys, they are ready to pick. Yeah, there. So I get 3 for today. Okay, first dragon fruit. Beautiful morning. Oops, one down. Look, guys. Ooh. And one more in here. Oh, this one is bigger. Wow, look nice. Really, really nice. We get something for breakfast again. Mahirap lang siyang pitasin, guys, because it's get plenty thorns. At this early of the day, I don't like to get poke. I still get plenty things to do. Oh wow, this is so nice. Oops, ayan siya. Another one. And the third one, this is the smallest. But still okay. And the third one. This is the smallest, but it's still okay. So these are the dragon fruits for today, guys. Okay, so after the dragon fruit, what else can I pick in the garden? This one, guys. This is strawberry, and look, I wrap like this with something like a net so that they are safe and slugs will not eat, because usually they eat first before me. So ayan, that's what I did. Okay. Oops. I sus. Let me pick the strawberries first before I feed you. I can put this in our yogurt tomorrow for breakfast. Then I get one more in here. Oops. Very precious fruit. Oh, there. So I have two. Okay, come, 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 come. Time for breakfast. Faster. It's drizzling, my God. Ay, ay, ay. Hala. Here, here, here. Oh, here, here. Let me see if you can fly in here. Cannot? Okay. Good morning. Time for breakfast. Oh my god, why is it drizzling now? I still get plenty plans to do in here in the yard. Did you miss me? Sorry for yesterday. We went out early. I know you guys hungry, very, very hungry. That's why I will give you plenty foods today. Okay, enjoy your breakfast, guys. Oh my god, these birds are so sensitive now, especially to sounds. Why? Okay, so after doing my routine outside, it's time to clean the house. Let's vacuum. Oh, ayan. So I just received a small package, guys. Let's open. We've been waiting for this yesterday, supposed to be yesterday, but we don't know. Maybe it travel. That's why they did not deliver yesterday. So it's for gardening again. Yes, guys, we ordered cilantro seeds because we love cilantros. Very useful for us. We make our own sandwich at home for lunches, and this is perfect. So hopefully we will get good result from this new seeds. So it's 500 heirloom seeds. Easy to grow, high germination rate, two individual packets. Oh, so it's two packets inside this one. Okay, guys, so that's it for now. See you when I cook dinner. Okay, merienda time. Merienda tayo, guys. So, we will start the tiramisu bar. Oh, look. Another favorite. Wow. Okay, let's cut. Looks like my cutting is crooked. Ooh. Oops. Wow. Let's eat. Oh. There. Wakes you up. The coffee, yeah? It will wake you up the coffee in it. Hi everyone. So, what's for dinner tonight? Oh, First, I will be making a simple potato and mac salad. This will be the partner of our baby back ribs. So, I boiled potatoes already. Let me just peel first. Remove the skin. Likewise, I already boiled some elbow macaroni. So, it will be faster and easier. When preparing food, guys, just make sure your hands are properly washed, very clean. So, I washed mine. Ganito lang ang pagkat ng potato. And it also depends on your preference how big or small you want the cut. Done cutting the potatoes, also known as patatas in Philippines. Lagay natin, transfer in a mixing bowl. Ayan siya, guys. Oops. Then, these are the cooked elbow macaroni. I will add now. Ilagay na natin. And maglalagay din ako ng konting carrot. So, shred natin. Ayan. Add the onion. Gusto ko ng madaming onion. Perfect. Yan. Naglalagay na tayo ng mayonnaise. Very simple lang ang aking recipe, guys. And now, mix. Make sure everything is coated with mayo para masarap. So, bale, eto ang rice namin tonight. Substitute for rice. But I get a small amount of rice just in case. Alam nyo naman, guys, ang Filipino, rice is life talaga. So, I don't know, it's different for me if I don't eat rice. And then next, I will add salt. And I am using the pink salt, also known as the Himalayan salt. I noticed with this one, aside from the benefits of using Himalayan salt, hindi siya masyadong salty. It's not that really salty. Mukha na siyang masarap, guys. Then, maglalagay ako ng konting sugar. Konti lang. And hubby's favorite, ground pepper. Gusto niya, guys, madami. A lot of ground pepper. Ayan. Oh my God, the freshly ground pepper, it went to my nose, guys. Very strong. That's why, guys, they say if you want to use ground pepper, do not use the grind already, but instead use the peppercorn and then you grind it. To be sure that it's really pure black pepper. Ayan guys, kita nyo yung mga ground pepper, but I'm sure hubby's not yet happy with how much I put. So, he will just add when he eat. I think I will add more of the ground pepper. Tumawad din ako. So, eto na siya. After mixing, I will chill. Just in time for dinner later. Ayan siya guys. Okay. Let me taste. Good, guys. So cover and chill. Hmm. Smells good. Oh, very, very hot. I like chick. Ooh. Hmm. Baby back ribs ready. And then I have here corn kernels. Love that. And then mac and potato salad. Okay, mag-plating tayo. Oops. Let's put some sauce on top. Madaming sauce. No rice. Get this potato mac salad. Ooh, look at that. Little bit more. Little bit more. There. Then I have here some corn. Ooh. Dinner is ready. Let's eat.
We've said plenty sauce too, so
Yeah.
let's squeeze everything.
Good dinner. Very tender the meat.
Low, that's why I wanted to come up. 300. What we do after dinner.
Hi everyone. So to end the day, I am here right now in the garden, checking all my plants, especially the sunflower. Remember guys, I transplanted sunflowers. That was, I think, 2 weeks ago. And now I'm ready to show the progress. Okay, so first I will remove the covering. I put a screen like this. Oops, medyo mabigat siya. Oh my God, I can tell guys, 100%. All the sunflowers that I transplanted, they are all doing good. Eto na sila guys, look. Wow. The leaves very green, very big, and you can tell the sunflowers are growing. So these are 2 weeks old from the time I transplanted. Ayan sila. I can't wait that they will give us flowers and seeds because we were dreaming of eating fresh sunflower seeds. Hopefully,